Hey, what's going on, guys? Simon Chess here, and today I'm gonna show you how to capture black screen using Scandinavian Defense Mises Cottage mainline. And this time, the regular version. So, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Capiche? Check. Ladies and gentlemen, the black screen has been captured by White Snipe using Scandinavian Defense. I started mainline, the regular version. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest updates. And be sure to check out my recent video that always popped up on your screen. Peace and have a blessed day to everyone. Capiche?